This is the Keychron K3. I've been using this keyboard for the past couple of weeks, and it's even been teased on my previous iPad video if you've noticed. Basically, this is Keychron's first ever or world first ever ultra slim low profile keyboard. It's similar like the K2. It has a 75% layout, which means it has 84 keys. It's capable to connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1. You charge it up via USB-C cable. It supports both Mac and Windows and even include Mac and Windows keycaps. But what's different about the K3 isn't the significantly lower height than the K2, but the options to choose their standard gate-all-around switches or Keychron's own hot swappable optical switches. Yes, again, it's a long name, but we'll get to that later. Looking at their design, Keychron's famous for their industrial looking color scheme for their keyboard, plus their iconic orange keycap for the escape key. So the whole keyboard's design looks really minimalistic on the desk, and it's not too boring like some other traditional looking keyboard. Plus, if you noticed it on their website, Keychron actually had different color schemes for their white backlight and their RGB backlight keyboards. As for the build quality, I would say it's slightly above average for its price point, as it's a little bit disappointing that Keychron yet again go with a half aluminium and half plastic build for their chassis. It would be nicer if the whole chassis would be made of aluminium. I mean, I don't really mind as plastic is really durable as well. It's just that the feel of the keyboard will be a little bit better if the underside is made of aluminium as well. As for their keycaps, they're made of ABS as expected, so grease and fingerprint does appear quite significantly on the keycaps, plus it will shine over time after a long period of use. In terms of battery life, this keyboard packs a 1550 mAh lithium-ion battery inside the keyboard. On the website, it says that it can last up to 34 hours of use, but with my use, I'm getting an average 3 to 4 days of minimal, I wouldn't say minimal, but medium use for the keyboard with minimal RGB settings. But if you were to go full loaded RGB all the way, I would say this keyboard probably lasts you 1 day max. So normally I just set my RGB settings to minimal to maintain a good battery life on the keyboard. Now onto the main point, the switches. So the one I have here is a Keychron optical hot swappable brown switch, but on their website you are able to choose red, blue, white, black and even orange. This is Keychron's first time including that many different switches on their K3. It's even more than their iconic Keychron K2. So how does the Keychron optical brown switch feels? Honestly, it's not too bad. It still has the tactility from the reds and the clickiness from the blue, so it's pretty well balanced in terms of the sound and the tactility. And the only complaint that I have that it just registers some ghost keys when I gently lay my finger on, which is a little bit disappointing. But anyways, here's how the optical brown switch sounds compared with other keyboards. So all in all, I would say the Keychron K3 is a relatively not bad low profile mechanical keyboard. If you're the type of person that loves low profile keyboard and wants the feel of a mechanical keyboard, I would say the K3 is a perfect candidate. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and push the bell notification button, and I'll see you guys next time.